Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Atomics.xor method. So you can say XOR method. So what it does, it computes the bitwise XOR and given value at a given position in the array and return the old value at that position. You know that what Atomics usually do, and the atomic operation grants no other writes happen until that modified back. So what we're gonna do is, first we will use the buffer, not buffer, yeah, buffer new shared array buffer, and inside that we're gonna put the bits in size 16. After that, var uint8, and it will be the new uint array. And then we will pass the buffer inside that, the usual way to do that, and uint8, and the first element of that we're gonna pass will be 7. So 7. So what is XOR gate do is, it will check both of them, and it returns you the -1. Like this one, the value of 7 is this binary format, and the 2 is 0 1, no, not 1, 0 1 0, what, yeah, 1. So this is 2, and if we do I put 2 because I'm in the next example I'm gonna use that. So if we minus that, it will be 0 1 0 1, which is equals to 5. So now what we're gonna do is use that gate. Atomics is all about that. So Atomics dot XOR, inside that we'll paste the uint, put the uint first in this array, and that means typed array, and pass 0. After that, pass 2, and then what we're gonna do is log it on a console, the Atomics dot load. Sorry about that. And we're gonna put uint8 comma 0. So first it's gonna show 7 because there is no writes happen, so that's why. And in the second one, load, which will be 5 7 minus 2 5. So wait, there is a uncaught error. Uint 8 array. Yeah, I talked about it and I forgot how clumsy I am. Yeah, 7 and 2. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.